Vero, this is not what I told you a catfish is. No.
Now catfish na cat. Where sabi swim? Cat, okay, cat where resemble fish. Their body they like woman beings.
Human, not woman.
So I say this down. Catfish. Na cat, like the body, they get cat body, they get fish body. Now why they call them catfish? This one a cat, this one a fish. Catfish.
Vero, you are frustrating me. You are frustrating. This is not what I told you. Okay. Now, I want you to spell a word for me in English. Spell the word exercise.
Me, I don't sabi speak English. I don't sabi spell English. I Latin I fit.
You can't spell a word in English, but you can spell that of Latin?
Yes.
No. Okay. I want you to spell Nigeria for me.
Nigeria na English na. I don't sabi English.
Okay, spell anything for me in Latin.
Chinchonchi. Chinfo. Changu. Lioyu. Liowu.
I can't believe this.
Dad. I can't believe that. You're gone now. I can't believe you're no longer with us. You are my mentor, my best friend. And everything. You taught me morals. Dad, why? Why did you leave us? Why? It's okay.
Princess, Mom said you should come downstairs for dinner.
I'm not hungry.
She insists. She said if you don't come downstairs, she'll count it as disrespect. Princess, you know you've not eaten anything since we returned from Dad's funeral.
Jessica, please, can you just let me be? Just tell Mom that I'll come downstairs later.
You know she'll insist. Please don't make me pay the price of coming up here 1,000 times.
Okay. Fine. I said I'm coming.
I can't go out without you. Please, let's go.
Now my papa house be this so.
Yes, now I told you this is Mr. Williams' house.
You know me now. Now they leave me forget your sins.
Are you serious?
Ha! Don't come again. Don't talk this to me again. True?
Good afternoon, Mrs. Williams. Good afternoon. Aren't you the matron at the Metro Hospital? Yes, it's me.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Is there any problem? Mrs. Williams, apparently your late husband was in the same car with this young girl when the accident happened. My husband was with her in his car.
Yes, mommy.
Mommy? Who is this?
Mom, maybe Dad wanted to get us a house help, so she decided to call you Mom.
Ask me the fire down your mouth. They be like they curse.
Me?
You don't see me before. You know me before. You trying to be housemaid. I look like housemaid. Madam, I'll be your sister. Oh.
Which one? Who is this girl?
Actually, this man na my papa. Yes, we dey go Adana test. He say one confirm whether me na him pikin because he no trust my mama again. And me too, I no kukuma trust my mama. How we not like this? How we know this street? So he say make him go confirm whether I be him pikin. So na him my sister, no gree me talk.
Adana test. What's she talking about? She meant DNA test. A DNA test result was found in her bag. Mrs. Williams, she is your husband's daughter. What?
Water. No, it shocked me the same way they shock you now. It shocked me like me. I no could believe him. Because my mama before tell me say my papa na one arm robber where they shoot for a coconut head. Say they shoot am 10 times before he die. She come give me all the gist, God come punish him. Come land me for this better family. See my mama, see my sisters, see my family, my house.
I don't understand this. Look, what if the result isn't my husband's? Mrs. Williams, here is the DNA test. The contact of the hospital address is there. It's written on the paper. There is CCTV in the hospital. I would advise you go and confirm yourself. Find out the man who came for DNA test, if it was your husband.
There must be a mistake in this. My sister and I are the only children that my dad had. No, my dad cannot cheat on my mom, right?
This is impossible. Anyway, According to one of the nurses in our hospital, she said during the last time they brought your husband, he was lamenting and saying, please, my wife should please forgive me. When he woke up from coma, we asked him, he said the same thing. She is your husband's daughter.
Wait, no. This can't be true. This is a mistake.
Mom, you should have told that matron to take that girl with her.
Can't do that. It's not till I confirm if she's your father's daughter.
But Mom, that's not possible. There's no way Dad cheated on you.
I need to get to the hospital where he did the DNA test. I need to confirm his authenticity. How do I? His hairbrushes, his beard brush.
Mom, what are you doing?
Your father's hair. I need to take it to the hospital.
Mom, don't tell me you're leaving that girl here with us.
What? Ha! Oh! Me, I know say you hate me. I know say you don't like me. Me, I could no send you. If you hate me, I hate you. If you like me, I like you. You get? So now they look me like Mumu. Come out for this place.
Did you even see me in your dream?
Just say if I see you for my dream, I will stand. If I see you for my dream, that one no go be dream again. That one go be deep, dangerous nightmare. I go run. If I wake up, I go run. Say,
what's your problem, this girl?
You won't beat me. You fight me now. Fight me. Shebi you think say na only you get problem. Me too, I get my own problem now. My own problem at times 1 billion times your own problem. Idiot.
You come in.
Stop.
Young girl, what's your name again?
Mommy, my name is Vero.
Veronica.
No. Help me come out the nika. Just call me Vero.
Okay, Vero. I prefer you call me auntie for now.
Why now? You don't say me I don't get mommy again. My mama don't die. Even before she died, she don't know what they call love. She don't love anybody. She don't love me. So me I can't dey pray. Make God give me better woman who go love me like you. Love your own pikin.
Look, let me just show you to the visitor's room first.
No, be visitor now. I'll be your pikin.
For now, until I can ascertain that you are indeed my husband's child.
No wahala now. But no need to ascertain. No need to go to the hospital now. Because see this man now. See my nose. See his nose. See my eyes. Everything. No need to go for another test again. Abi?
You will go with me to the hospital.
But it's not going to be me and you. Because you know, see when I go with my papa, he die. I become fatherless. If I go with you now with my mama, you go come die. I go become orphan.
My dear, you're already an orphan. Because my mother is not your mother. My father is not your father.
Jessica, stop.
If I slap you, if I slap, this how they play, I go slap you. But auntie, this guy, he shows you that you're picking chibi. Because she behave like a person when they escape from hospital.
Vero, you too, stop. You will come with me to the hospital.
You no go be today now, but my body they pay me. Make I rest first.
That's true. Okay. Let me show you to the visitor's room then. You refresh and then eat later.
Okay.
stop? She's the one that started it. Why are you telling me? Can you two stop? Can you stop? Can you stop? She thinks she can fight. I'll beat you.
Come on, it's okay, it's okay. Come on,
Warn her if you know where she came from. Warn her. Warn her. Please calm down. Could you? I know. You know what? Did you know what she told me before you came in? She called me Moo. She said I'm an idiot. Why? Why would she say that?
Son.
I'll leave you. What are you trying to do? Give me that.
Sibling, I don't watch since now. Make her watch. See, my sister, make her tell you something. For the get away with this, they will not they get like at all. Not talk
Point
of.
of correction. I am not your sister and I'll never be your sister.
If you don't want me, my sister, I know wahala. It's now wahala you want. Me, I get them for my body. If you like, go ask Gogo. Gogo go tell you, say, me, I be wahala.com. I get them full body, 100 over 100. I will give them to you as you like them. Sibling, now wahala you want.
See, whatever is your name, if you don't leave this place now, I will slap the living daylight out of you.
Me in the darkness, I go slap give you. If I slap you, this is my iron. If I give you one, you go blind. I'm telling you. I make a try am. Make a try am now. Give me remote. Give me now.
Leave me alone.
I go beat
In fact,
you.
I will report you to my mother.
See. Okoko. I go slap you for this house. So me, I know they play. I know they play. I know they joke. Don't use me. Only you go watch me.
Mommy, that girl is so annoying. I can't stand her. Please just take her out of this house.
Jessie, I understand. But we need to be patient till I can confirm if she's your father's daughter.
Mom, she can never be my father's daughter. She can't.
I know. Your father was not the type to cheat. But I just need to be sure, okay?
Okay, Mom. I'll try and be patient for her.
Okay, baby. Come and stay with Mom for a bit, okay?
Can't just stand her. Can you imagine what she did? She just collected the remote when I was watching TV in my own father's house.
Sorry, Daddy. Sorry.
See is in house. Easy for visitors room. Ha! The visitors room be like this. How the main room will be. Me, I go enjoy this life. Whether the devil like him or not, I don't dey enjoy life. Because for this life, now give me, I give you. If Okechi chop, Nkechi get chop. Now these children know me, I follow them enjoy. I don't enjoy finish. I don't enjoy Jesus. Now only you go dey sleep here. God dey bless person. And another thing, a better woman. If you get better woman, chai, you no go get any wahala. My own mama wey dey always curse person every time. Na curse dey her mouth. Every day na curse dey her mouth. She no dey ever rest. If she no curse this person, she go curse this person. If you no curse this person, she go curse the person. See good mama now. See good mama. I wish that this person born me safe. Hi.
Dad. You always taught me morals. You were my role model. I don't believe you cheated on Mom because you're not that kind of person. Please help Mom discover the truth so she can kick that girl out of this house. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Me, if you ask me, your auntie, this is where you dey go now na waste of time. You know better make you leave this thing. I make you leave am now.
Why? Oh, you're afraid she'll find out you're not my father's child, right?
Oh, it's the truth even dey visible. See my nose. My nose go tell you say I be your sister. Now una nose I don't understand because I don't know where una carry una own resemblance. Una nose no point, no flat, no point, no get shape. So I don't know where una carry.
Vero,
Ma.
you need to learn how to talk, especially to adults. Anyway, I don't have much to say about that till I'm done with this DNA test. Look, go to the kitchen and get your food in the food flask there.
Okay.
Okay then.
Bye bye. You look me like say yes.
You! Come back here. You see you? Go to your room, wherever it is. Pack your bag because immediately my mom comes back, me and my sister will bundle you and throw you away like trash that you are.
You know say sometimes they talk like say you get bad mouth. But na me get the bad mouth true.
You have not seen anything, no? You have not seen anything. If I open my mouth,
Open Nana, no be this way they open. Get another man where you keep for somewhere. Open Nana, make I say am. Open Nana. Stop waiting. Stop waiting. I talk to you. See you, eh? See you. Me, I go. I don't know as God create human being, creates you finish, eh? Carry sense to throw away for somewhere. You don't get sense. And me, if you vex me, I go watch you slap, we will carry you back to heaven. Make God put back that sense for your head. Make you stop to the put nuisance. You're mad.
She said contribute.
Alright, let's go inside. Let's go
She said contribute me that. It is constitutes. Constitute nuisance. You're so dumb. Even though you don't. What? You cannot do anything. You cannot
Open this door. Open this door. Open this door now. Which one? Open this door now. Open this door now. Open this door now. Oh. Man, you can't answer this. Open this door. If I come inside, it's not gonna like am. You never open this door, auntie.
I don't understand. What are you doing in my mother's kitchen?
Be like say you chop witch. It be like say now you be the witch where we get for this house.
You dare call me a witch?
Shut up. Shut up, Matt. See this arrow. See, no vex me. If you vex me, I go beat you. And if you vex, I call you witch, I go beat you on top. So no vex me. Idiot.
Huh. What is wrong with you, this girl? What is wrong with your brain?
It is I'm not going to even tell God make you give me strength, make I go beat you, punch your mouth.
What's the problem, this girl?
I don't understand though.
Let me get that question.
Why are you picking on my sister in our own house?
Our father house, talk and wear, you know drink expired kunu. Talk and wear.
Is something wrong with you?
These children. Be like when I want fight this afternoon. I go fight.
It's like we need to teach this girl a lesson before mom comes back. What kind of nonsense is this?
Oh, yeah.
At least teach her a little lesson.
Bring it on. Come now, come.
What's this one?
Come. One person come first. Come first, now make I blow your mouth.
Please, let's go. Oh, stop it!
Come first, now make I
See,
blow your mouth.
I'll beat you. Will you stop?
Come.
It's okay.
It's because of you. It's because of you. I've not beaten this girl. It's because of you.
Come. Come now. Like the cruise. That's how I get strength. If they beat me here now, they will see me and no get strength. They make mouth.
Even if daddy wanted to have a child, why this kind of child?
I don't believe Dad would do such a thing, but let's just wait for Mom to come back. Then we'll kick her out of this house. I can't wait.
I can't wait for that to happen. You keep insulting me over and over again. I don't like it.
It's okay
I
now.
don't like it.
Don't you have mouth? What is this your mouth for?
I try my best. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'll really help you carry your bag.
Thank you.
So Mommy, how was it?
Yeah, how was it?
What is the outcome?
She's your sister.
What? That girl is not my sister. She can never be my sister.
How could you, Frank? I trusted you. All this while, You were living a double life. You wanted us to see you as perfect, as the hero. But deep down, you were not who you claimed to be. You have broken my trust completely, Frank. How could you? What do I do now? Forced to take in a child whose roots I barely know. Forced to let her live with my children. What if she influences them wrongly? This is too much for me. Why did you do this to me? You made me believe you had no problem with my inability to have another child, to give you a male child.
Are you thinking about the doctor's report? Don't let it bother you. We already have 2 beautiful doctors.
I wanted another child. To have a baby boy for you. One that will carry on your lineage.
I'm okay with our daughters.
You know the importance of a baby boy in Igbo land. Honey, why don't we adopt a baby boy? Let me adopt a baby boy for you, Frank.
It won't make any sense. The boy won't have our blood.
I know, but nobody has to know.
Like I said, we don't need it, okay?
Frank, you turned down my suggestion to adopt a baby boy because you wanted one that would have your blood. Why not IVF or surrogacy? Why break the bond, the trust I and the children had for you? Why? You have to understand. This is not her fault. She's a victim just like all of us. She can't be held responsible for her parents' mistakes.
Mom, I don't like her. She's ill-mannered. I don't like her.
I will work on her.
I just don't want her here. Please.
We really don't have a choice, Jessie. She has no one else. No other relatives.
Mom, I said I just don't want her here. I don't want her here.
Princess.
Mom, please, can we talk tomorrow? I'm tired.
Okay, baby. Good night.
Jesus! These people don't get sense.
Veronica!
Sorry, my beg. No put Nika for my name. Put am the way it dey. Vero, no Nika or trouser, beg.
Okay, Vero.
Ma?
Please put off the TV. I want to talk to you.
Okay, ma.
Henceforth, once it's 9 p.m., you cannot watch television anymore.
Why now? That's what I do for you.
Yes.
I know they like me person, they tell me what I go dey do. I know they like me person, they give me rules and regulations. Or they control my life. They like to live my life anyhow I like them. And they like stress. And I be law breaker. So in case if I break any law, me coulda no vex.
Well, you have to start obeying the rules and regulations of this house because it's been confirmed that you are my husband's child. So you will be living here with us. So we're going to move your things to your room and out of the visitor's room because the visitor's room is for visitors and you are no longer a visitor.
Thank you, ma. You know say you be better person.
So once the holidays are over, I'll be registering you in Jessica's school. What class did you stop in?
Nursery.
Eh?
Nursery.
Jesus. How old are you?
13 years. No, I know say you go shock. I know say you go shock. Because the story long, but I will cut down for you. See you at my school. The thing be say, anytime when they teach on my class, I go just go outside and they like to chase all this okpana. You know okpana? I go they chase okpana or I go they chase frog. So before I go come back to my class, I go see say my teacher don't even teach them finish. Give them assignment self. And me, I don't go know what they teach them. I go just do my own, you know. So they come give us assignments. I go write and fail them. They give us assignment again. I go fill them. I go they fail all the exams that they give us. That's why they repeat me every time. They go repeat me for 93. They go repeat me. So then my teacher go name me Miss 93. She can't name me Miss 93. You know what my teacher tell me say? She tell me say the next graduation what we go do. So they go show me that 5 clothes when they show for people. We can't put one line like this. Can't name her Miss 93. I said to God. Hey, I'm telling you.
Frank, where have you been? We've been looking for you everywhere.
I have been away for some reasons. I know you have questions to ask and felt betrayed by what has happened. All I ask is that you find it in your heart to forgive me.
Frank, you betrayed me. You betrayed our children.
Please forgive me. That was the only time I cheated on you. I did it because I needed a male child. I am not justifying my act. All I'm asking is that you forgive me.
You have done 1,000,001 good things for me. How can I now hold on to the one wrong thing you did? I forgive you.
Can I ask you for a favor?
Yes.
Get our daughters together. If they must win the battles of life, they must be united as a family.
I'll do that. I promise. Where are you going? Frank, Frank, don't leave me. Please don't leave me again. Frank, come back. Don't leave me. Don't go. Frank, please. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Frank, don't go. I brought you two here so that you can watch me cook. Because next time, you'll cook together.
God forbid.
Amen. Amen. Because he I no fit cook with you. You will get bitter heart. Your soup, you gonna cook bitter food. You dey like Onubo soup.
Talking to me?
Yes. What you gonna do?
Look. Jesse. Vero.
Ma.
You two need to be nice to each other. You're sisters.
She is not my sister.
She
can never be my sister.
You can never be my sister too.
Who is this one?
You know what? I can see you two are not ready to stop bickering. Please, watch the food. Once it's dry, you turn it off and then wash the dishes.
Okay, no.
Idiot. See as person be like
Do you call me idiot?
Yes.
Why would you be insulting me? In my father's house.
Come on,
If I beat you.
Which father's
If I
house?
beat you.
Beat me now. So make I tell you something, For this life, Akara and na the same papa born them. Now just different thing make them they different. Something when they pass through. So like this now because say you go for city, me go for a ghetto. Not mistake two of us.
Shut up that smelly mouth of yours. Who is that? Look how this place is smelling with your bad odor.
Now
Mouth odor.
your nose they smell you. Your nose don't decay. It don't smell. I need to smell. See my God to come back for your nose. Go treat yourself. Not be my mouth they smell you.
See, I'll beat you.
Beat me now. Beat me.
How can you go to my father's house and you're calling me idiot?
Shut up your mouth.
You're calling me mumu.
Shut up your mouth.
If I beat you,
Mugu, idiot. See, make I tell you something. You see, for this life, anybody when say vulture, no fit enter market. Last that person go run from market for what to make you enter. You see, I go deal with you. If you like, give me headache. Me, I go give you hypertension.
Look at who wants to give me hypertension.
Idiot.
Look at you. Where I don't even know where you're from. Your mom, I don't know. Your daddy, I don't know because my father is definitely not your father.
If you talk and make it, I go slap
My
you.
father is not your father.
Oh yeah, make you
Do
shut
your
up.
worst.
Shut up now.
I will beat you.
Hey,
I will beat you.
beat me.
You're carrying
I need to
pepper.
play with. Come on,
My father's
come on
pepper.
now.
My
Come
mother's
on.
pepper.
Come. Wow. Now this kind of food I like talking. If you give me this kind of food then, if you like, put 2 monsters beside me. Or you put 10 steps. I don't care. I will chop them.
So, are you trying to say we're monsters?
How do you talk about?
Please, table manners. No talking at the table. Vero,
No?
I'll be employing a teacher to help you out with your academics because before Jessica's school will admit you, you need to do an exam.
Mom, she's going to my school.
Yes, baby.
No way. She cannot come to my school.
Honey, your school is one of the best. And we need the best to revive her academic performance.
She can never be revived. This is what I'm seeing here.
Please, it's okay. Can we just eat?
Look how she's eating like a...
Jesse!
I don't want her in my school. I don't want her in my school. Take her to a government school. It's better for her. I don't want to eat again.
Do me now.
Give you what? Leave my food alone. Just give me, everybody should leave me alone. But
Give me now.
Get out.
Don't eat your plate by mistake.
I can't believe Mom is already liking her. She's just going to steal her mother's love and attention from us. Look, we need to do something. We need to do something to make mom hate her as quick as possible.
You're right. First, she took daddy's love away from us. She's the reason why dad is dead.
Exactly.
No, we need to do something about it.
Me too. I don't like that girl at all. I don't like her for any reason. The way she insults me.
You can just watch your movie.
Yeah, continue.
Yes.
This is how when they laugh like this. It doesn't mean I'm street though. And also I don't go commit something. Because normally enemies don't they laugh. They don't even smile. Okay. I do wait.
What's happening here? Princess! Jessica!
Yes, Mom.
Mommy,
You called us.
I'm running late and I can't find some of my jewelry.
Your jewelry.
fine.
Oh, it's not that dream that we saw with Vero?
Yes. Oh God, you know that girl is from the ghetto. All they do there is steal. We saw it though. We didn't collect it.
Don't accuse falsely. Are you sure you saw her?
Mommy, we saw it. We saw it. We saw her coming out of this room with it. We even thought it was her own. That's why we didn't collect it. Ah, God. It's even in her. It should be in her room now. Come, let me show you. It should be in her room.
Yes, it should be in her room.
Yes. Come. You will see. It's in her room.
I cannot believe that my children I raised, would go as low as accusing someone falsely, setting the person up. Like, I can't believe you could be this mean. I have failed as a mother.
We're sorry.
I'm sorry, Mom.
I'm so heartbroken right now. I thought I was raising kind children.
But Mommy, that girl is so rude to us in our own house.
In her father's house too.
Mommy, why are you supporting her now? Do you love her more than you love us?
No. But I am trying to do the right thing. That girl is innocent. She might not talk right or act properly, but she is not a bad person. What she needs is love.
But Mommy, we need love too. We recently lost our father and she's frustrating us in our own house.
Insulting me too.
That is still not a good enough reason for you to have gone as low as you went. You will apologize to her immediately.
I'm not going to apologize to her.
Princess, you will obey your mother. Vero? Vero?
Yes, ma. Ma?
Apologize to her.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
No, wahala. I don't hear you. See them. See them be. They go lost. Do you see una? Una think say una get sense, abi? Una think say una wise like this na? Me wey be street wise. My God, una think say una fit run me. Make I tell una something. Na because of una mama o. Una mama be better person. Na make if I just look am, I go just forgive una. I swear to God. Even God no say if no be una mama, wetin I for do una Wetin I for do una nobody go fit stop me. I go injure person. I go break bottle, wound person. Na that kind person I be. Now make I give una serious warning. First and the last warning for this house. Make una avoid me. Make nobody come my path again. Make una avoid me. Because me, I go change that for now. I go break person head oh. Haha. Make I just talk my own. Mad people. So I blow you now. Pluck that your teeth come out. Go be like say person wicked. See as the head be like mango. Idiot.
Did she just call us mad people?
She just called me a mad person. Like, do I look mad? I don't like this, you know. We have to do something about it. We have to do something about it. It's not about the fear.
Don't worry now. We'll just find another one, another plan. Eh?
You don't want.
See, we have to calm down.
We don't have to calm down. We have to do something. We have to do something. This is getting out of hand.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you guys doing?
We're fine.
Your mother said I'll be teaching your sister.
She's not our sister. She's not.
Okay. Is she around?
Yes, she's around. Please have a seat, ma.
Vero, this is not what I told you a catfish is. No.
Now catfish na cat. Where sabi swim? Cat, okay, cat where resemble fish. Their body they like woman beings.
Human, not woman.
So I say this down. Catfish na cat. Like the body they get cat body, they get fish body. Now why they call them catfish? This one a cat, this one a fish. Catfish.
Vero, you are frustrating me. You are frustrating. This is not what I told you. Okay. Vero, mention 10 different wild animals you know.
5 lions and 5 tigers.
Vero, I mean 10 different animals. 10!
And now 5 lions and 5 tigers, they be the same. You don't know what to be lion, you don't know what to be tiger. Tiger, if you bring tiger, bring lion. You never see person with tiger bites. If tiger bites, you still say you go survive. Don't go survive more. Tiger is different from lion. So if you bring 5 lions, you bring 5 tigers. Not 10 now.
Vero, you are confusing me. Not only confusing, you are frustrating me here. You need to listen to what I am saying. This is not what I taught you.
Sorry, ma.
Okay. What is your favorite animal?
Fried chicken. The one where they fry with better chicken. You know, some people know sabi fry them. You get the ones where they dry well. And that type they like.
No. I'm not talking about your favorite food. I mean favorite animal.
Chicken. Chicken na cock, hen, fowl, all of them na. Chicken na pet name what they give the one way sweet. Then the one way not sweet, if you call them chicken, cow, cock, fowl, hen, or cuckoo.
No. Okay. I understand all you're saying. Okay?
Oh.
Now, I want you to spell a word for me in English. Spell the word exercise.
Me, I don't sabi speak English. I don't sabi spell English. And Latin I fit.
You can't spell a word in English, but you can spell that of Latin?
Yes.
No. Okay. I want you to spell Nigeria for me.
Nigeria na English na. I don't sabi English.
Okay, spell anything for me in Latin.
Chinchonchi, Chinfo, Changu, Lioyu, Liohu.
I can't believe this.
She said you nearly drove her crazy.
It should be drove her crazy. I get car. She dash me car. Nearly drove her crazy.
She said you confused her a lot. You got her confused.
That woman they lie you. Auntie, that woman they lie. You see that woman? I know she's supposed to be teacher. She they confuse my head, they scatter my head up and down. She go talk something na. Next minute, she go change them. I'm telling you. She go change them the same mouth. But she tell me what catfish be. Catfish make I ask you. Catfish no be cat where they swim. Cat, all this catfish like cats where they get body like fish. Cats where be say they inside water, they get cat's body, they get fish body. You know them now.
Ha! Your case is more complicated than I thought. I'll get you another teacher, one that can handle you.
Me, if you ask me, I go say make you know the call teacher again. I no sabi book be say I no sabi book. You no get any magic way you go do make book go enter my head. Yeah, what dey waste your money? Yeah, don't waste your money at all. You can go do another better thing. Leave matter for Matthias, leave Sabi for Sabinus. Just leave everything. Make I just live my life. Yeah, after all, book no go help me do anything. As far as I dey communicate with you, they talk with you. We don't need anything of a book again now. Yeah? Don't worry yourself. Nonsense. Could they confuse me?
Rose! Rose!
Who's back?
Rose!
Sir? Uncle, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Where is your mother?
She went to work. She should be back very soon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can't keep this bag in the room.
Uncle, are you staying? Are you staying here?
Is it? No, I'm not staying. I'll be staying in your toilet.
No.
But no.
You should have told my mom first now. Yes.
Right, you see? You have sense. You have sense.
Thank you, sir.
So, I should take permission from your mother before I come to my late brother's house. Eh?
No, Uncle,
You don't have sense.
Uncle, that's not what I'm
You
saying.
don't have sense.
Uncle, that's not what I'm saying now. But that's the right thing to do.
Oh, the right thing.
Yes.
Hey, I said it. Maybe it was a mistake. You have sense. That's the right thing. I'm going to take my bag into the room.
Yes, sir.
Senseless people. Eh? Get me water to drink. You don't know that when a titled man, when you see a titled man, you should first of all bring water for him to drink if he returns from any journey. Cold one, no. They're even watching TV. Instead of reading their books, useless female children. If this woman had given my brother male children, they will not be watching TV by this time of the day. They will be reading, knowing the importance of education. Where is the water?
As if that Vero is not enough. Now we have to put up with Uncle Adi.
Honestly, I'm not happy. And I feel bad about this visit. Are you sure he's not up to something?
Yeah, I pray so. I hope he's not up to something too. What should we do now?
I don't know. Maybe we should come home.
Mom? Are you with your phone?
No. He's inside.
Oh,
Let's just
God.
go. Why did this man come to this house now? He didn't even tell anybody.
You are scared. Do I know?
Brother Daddy.
Rose. Rose, I am very, very hungry. Eh?
I didn't know you were coming. I would have prepared something ahead.
Eh? You would have prepared something for me. Just go and prepare something. Nah. Because when I said I'm hungry, I don't know what princess served me here. Have you people started eating earthworm in this house?
Earthworm?
Eh?
Oh, pasta.
What's pasta? Plaster or what? No, she did not give me plaster. I said earthworm.
Spaghetti.
Whatever you like, call it. All I know is that people have started eating earthworm in this house. I don't want to eat it. Go and prepare soup and pounded yam. Or if you cannot pound yam, do apple for me.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me.
Fast. I'm very hungry. As you can see, I'm yawning. Hey! Rose, can you hear that? Eh? Be fast about it. Now let me see if I can eat something better. Somebody will just come. These children. Does it mean they eat this thing? These children did not even drop or sound water for me. Yeah, Rose. Rose, Princess. Ada.
Sir?
Who took the wasan water? Huh? If a titled man is eating, you should not remove anything.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You go and bring it, then take this place back to the kitchen. Huh?
Okay.
After, you come to the sitting room, to the parlor, so that we'll discuss about my coming here.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Bring it so that you pack this plate.
Okay.
And give me toothpick.
Okay.
Good.
Sir?
Yeah. I'm here to tell you that the Igwe and the Umunai Council, they have decided and agreed that whereby my brother does not have any male child, that everything that belongs to him should be handed over to me and my son so we can take good care of it. That is why I'm here.
You?
I see.
You are joking, right?
It's in me. Rose, do I look like a comedian to you? I am telling you that the Igwe and the elders in council have taken a decision. They have equally signed an ultimatum that everything that belongs to my brother, Udo Frank Williams, let me mention his name again for you. Udo Frank Williams, everything that belongs to him should be given to me. Yes, including this very house.
You see that house in the village? You people can take it, eat it, swallow it. No problem. But this house, never. My husband and I worked hard to achieve everything you see here. You never lifted a finger to help us. I remember very clearly when my husband and I were fresh graduates from the university. We came to you for help, but you turned your back on us. And now you want to reap where you did not sow.
Are you done with the gospel? No, have you finished reading the gospel from Genesis to Revelation? If you are not done, you continue. Okay, you are done. I don't know where this nonsense you are talking about is coming from. I am here to give you the information. And I'm telling you that you have just 1 month to vacate this house. Are you hearing me? Vacate with this useless children you call female children. When your mates were producing male children, what were you doing? You were shooting them out like that. Apion, apion, apion. Female, female, female. Is it only female that is in your, what is it called? In your womb? Eh? Female children. Have you ever seen any female that has son name? No. Don't tell me now. Do you have a son name?
In case you do not know, sir, let me educate you.
Education. Hi, educate. Let's go.
A woman produces only what a man puts inside her.
Educationist. Education.
If my husband put a boy in me, I would produce a boy. The sex of a child is determined by the man and not the woman.
Education.
My husband gave me my precious daughters, precious girls. Do not call them useless again, or you and I will have a problem.
And what are they? What are they? You are here questioning the authority of the Igwe. They will ostracize you from the whole village. Nala. Oh, you don't know the difference between Egbe and Egbe. You know the difference between Egbe and Egbe. You will know very soon. Can you imagine nonsense? Eh? You want to drag my brother's property with me? Okay. You should know. Egbe diche, Egbe diche. You will know.
Chai! It just be me like make I give this stupid man correct knock for him head. This him frying pan head will be like what's in a no. Says he make this good woman cry. Make I go find out what's happen first before I go shoot come out for this matter. But this man go collect though. As far as me, I don't dey involved for this thing, go collect from me. See as him be. Idiot, see jagara singlet, and they come for you.
Vero, come and sit with us. She is your sister. She's not your enemy. The one who wants to hurt us is downstairs. He is the one that deserves your dislike and not her. We need to pray for God to take him away.
Yes, I know say prayer go work. And I believe say action too go still work. Make we join hands together deal with that man. Make we teach him lesson.
Come and sit.
As I see the way when they talk to you, it pain me. Oh. I vex to see you they cry. Who in be first?
That's your father's older brother. He's up to over 8 years his senior. My mother-in-law lost 4 children at infancy. And they prayed for the child, and your father came along. So by the time he came, they were already advanced, and when he gained admission into university, they had passed away. So things were rough for him. But by that time, your uncle was doing very well in business. But he refused to help your father. So your father had to do all sorts of odd jobs to see himself through school, including pushing wheelbarrows. After we graduated, we began to build our wealth from scratch. And now, that same uncle is here claiming this property because your father did not have a male child.
I wonder why this one is not even a baby boy. He would have been useful. What were you born for if you're not a baby boy?
Jessica.
Hey, You why you not turn baby boy? I be they not born you. If I turn baby boy, as you carry head, we be like shapeless young, we caterpillar jam.
Vero.
Sorry, ma. I should the temptation somebody.
Tempt. It's when it's a verb, it's tempt. I think it's time I finally did this. Your father came to me in a dream and asked me to unite his girls.
He did. He did. Why didn't he come to me?
How can he come to you when your heart is filled with so much hate and bitterness towards your sister, his daughter? Why would he come? She's not our enemy. Our common enemy is there. And we cannot win if we keep on fighting amongst ourselves. United we stand. Divided we fall. You three are one. One family. And a family can only succeed when they stand as one. United we stand. Divided we fall. What did I say?
United we stand. Divided we fall.
I need you all to understand this. Every family should always stand as one. If you do not stand as one, then outsiders can come and cause division amongst you. Come. Hold one another's hands now. Hold one another's hands now. United we stand.
United we stand.
Divided we fall.
Divided we fall.
Now let us all say it together. United we stand. Divided we fall.
United we stand. Together we win. Life is much better when we live for each other.
If not forget to this play, the kind of play where there is now this stainless play, we say if you fall, you go do before you go stop.
What type of plate is that? What's the name?
The stainless plate.
Oh, stainless plate. I know that.
But this time if you fall, not to break. That one will go in how many years, no go break. Go
Yes,
break.
no.
What is
this one?
happening here? Just tell me what is happening here. I asked you girls to prepare food for me to eat in my own house. You did not prepare the food, but you people are here making noise. Don't you know it's disobedience? Making noise in my house? Eh?
Bianwoke,
You see?
make I ask you something. Say your name na thief.
You call a titled man like me, Biamoke.
Your name na thief because I don't understand why you go come our father's house, they call him your house.
Imagine this one that they said came from ghetto. Don't you know that you are an illegitimate child?
Now your leg, now you be legitimate child. Now you, now this your two leg be legitimate child. Because you're supposed to carry and put for your head, make it be like me.
Eh?
Make people, if people see you, they go not say you be the only begotten son of Satan and Ekwensu. Old man.
Only because where did you get that one from?
Bible.
Oh, Oh, you read your Bible, Vero?
Yes, now.
Wow.
See, she's not like you.
Well, what do you mean? I read my Bible. I read it every time.
You read your Bible. Oh yeah, tell me, waiting Margaret. Chapter.
Ma, what? What's the book?
No worry. No worry.
Do you read Matthew?
Yes, now Matthew, I want to talk.
Okay, so what did Matthew do in the Bible?
No worry.
What is keeping these useless nonsense girls? Eh? What is keeping the food? How can you keep a titled man like me hungry? And I'll be here waiting for my food for how many hours? Eh? In my own house.
Sir, sorry, sir.
So this is what has been keeping you.
Sorry, sir.
Eh? Look at this small food you just served.
Sorry, sir.
What are you girls, useless girls, doing in that kitchen? You kept me here hungry in my own house. Useless girls.
Thank you, sir.
And who told you this thing is okay for me? Eh? You don't know how to pound fufu.
Sorry, sir.
Instead of you people to turn yourself to boys, you remain girls.
Sorry, sir.
Will you girls get out of my face?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Nonsense. Imagine what they prepared for me. Eh? Just imagine. I'm just telling me eat food. This thing will not even be enough. Once if I can reach, I'll just finish it. Let me taste this soup first. These girls are useless. Very useless. Huh? By the way, where are they, Seth? Yeah? Princess! Hi. Princess! Hi. Where are these useless girls? Princess!
Sir!
Hi. Let me not shout out shit from my anus.
You called me, sir.
Princess, you people are wicked. You people are useless.
So what did you
Eh? What did you people put in that soup? So you want me to die before my time?
Sir, no.
I ate the soup and the soup almost removed my intestine. In fact, it washed everything in my stomach away. Eh?
Maybe na nemesis. Nemesis don't they follow you up and down. For all the sins where you don't commit, you go pay for them.
Yeah. Are you stupid?
No.
Are you crazy?
No.
How did they burn you? How can you come here and start telling me nemesis? Which nemesis? Which sin?
For the sins where you don't come.
Which sin you are talking?
Sir.
Thunderfire, you there?
Did they call you?
Thunderfire, you there? Oh, God. Oh, don't let this one kill you. These girls, they really poisoned this food. And this is a chiataka poison. Yes. They want me dead at all costs. Hi, God, don't let me die. Please, God, don't let this cup pass over me. Oh, this is the 20th time I'm going to toilet yet. Afobo. God, don't let me die, oh, don't let me die. Please, it's not yet my time. If I die now, who will inherit this house? Who will be in this house and be enjoying this house? So because of this house, these children want me to die. I will not die. Oh. Where is Rose self? I've been calling her. Her number is switched off. Are you sure she did not plan this thing with these children? Whoa. Princess! Oh. Princess! Princess! Oh, Princess, you are very wicked. Did I call you? Hey!
As Princess they sleep, now say make I come answer for her.
Your name is not Princess. I did not call you. I don't want to see you. Just go. Go! Hey!
What do you want make Princess do for you? Make her do am.
Please, just go now.
I know they go. You see
you?
Now me be your karma. I know they come up for this. You go call me by fire by force.
I say go. I don't want to see you. I don't want anything from you. Just go.
Oh, yeah, come pursue me.
Hey, he's coming again. Oh, go. I don't want to see you. This one is here. Come out of the toilet. Come out of the toilet.
If you enter there, I go lock you. You no go come out. No go come out though. I don't lock you. Jesus!
How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you, darling.
Wow, welcome.
Thank you. Where is your uncle? He's not watching TV as usual.
Oh, uncle. He's purging. Yes, he's in his room.
Oh, no.
Yes.
What? Oh, let me go and check on him.
Let's go and check.
But Daddy, are you okay?
I'm dying now.
God forbid.
I'm dying now.
Please come. Let's go to the hospital. Let's go to the hospital, please.
Hospital.
Please. Just try. Try. Sorry. Sorry, please. Sorry.
Wait.
What could have happened? Sorry. Hey, my God. What kind of thing is this? Huh?
And that is mommy's for you. She doesn't mind helping her enemies too.
She good though. And now why she accepts me? Now why she accepts me? If now other women, them go hate me. You don't see whether they put pepper for person bomb bomb. Now like that they treat me for this house. They tell you. She be good person.
So, she's such an angel.
And I pray make God help her. Help us too.
Amen.
I beg make watch our TV before the load of TV will come back.
They must have reached the hospital by now.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe they'll also have to give him drip or something.
Drip.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
United we stand.
That's not how they use it. Don't worry, let me teach you. It's here that sweeps the dirt. You do like this. Understand? Like this. Mom!
Sorry.
Welcome.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
You see, these your girls. These your girls are wicked. They are the ones that put that like poison that I ate. I almost killed me.
But I told you, huh? There's no way they could have done such a thing. The doctor only said you took something bad.
Maybe na that Igbo or Gogo.
Who shut up that place?
Vero.
Who is Igbo Guguru? Eh? In fact, you are the first person that I am going to remove, in fact, chase out of this house.
You don't fit. I feel they tell you don't fit.
Vero?
Sorry, ma.
Uncle, please, don't mind these children. Please just go up and rest. Take a bath. I think you soiled your clothes.
Uncle, sorry. Hey.
Sorry.
Hey.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Hey,
You're smelling like
you, eh?
sorry.
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 So, I was saying, try to use it here. No, this place.
It smell like
What is the
please, like that bit I used to do.
You mean goats?
You mean goats?
No, I used to do.
It's goats.
It's goats that I used to
It's two. The other one. Woman, so funny. That man a comedian.
Oh God, this is a comedy.
I tell you, Mumu. See you.
If you really go and do audition, they'll pick you for comedy.
Go deal with them. Back to back, fire to fire.
Yes.
No peace for the wicked.
Honestly, I don't feel bad regulating the heater to what. He deserves it.
Yes, so he deserves
He
it.
still had the audacity to insult mom and said she killed her father. Can you imagine?
Madman.
Madman.
Madman. See, I don't come out for this man. I go to give him hot. He just say he dey me. You know, not say we dey me now.
Not only me now, but mineral. You get my point? You get. Let's stop laughing.
Why? They're not around now. They went to the hospital.
Oh, that's true.
So we can shout. We can scream.
Yes, but not to bring the house down.
My voice cannot bring the house down.
Pastor, sorry.
Vero, see what you do. Bring another plan. If it's to put pepper in his body or anything, just bring plan now. You know you're smart. Yeah, bring plan.
Wait, do you want to kill him?
If he die, let him die.
Dirty. They're very dirty. Let them wash all of them. And I think need to dress like a titled man today. Yes, after having my bath, I will dress on this one. Yes. Princess!
Sir?
Hurry up.
Yes, sir.
These are my dirty clothes, Pack all of them and wash.
Okay, sir.
I want to have my bath. And I would love to eat when I finish, once I get downstairs.
Okay, sir.
I left. Yes, it was here that I left the clothes. Princess! Princess!
Sir?
Come here.
Yes, sir.
What's the meaning of this? Where are the clothes?
The clothes?
Yes.
You said I should wash your clothes, so it's inside the washing machine.
Did I ask you to pack the one that I left on the bed?
No, but you said I should wash all your clothes. So I washed all your clothes.
That is why I say you people are useless. You people are useless. You don't have sense at all. That I said I should wash all the clothes. Didn't you see that this one was separated from the other ones? The clothes I want to wear immediately after taking my bath.
Hey, Uncle, I didn't know, but you said I should wash all your clothes now. So you were doing it, all this, like your hand like this. So I was.
You don't have sense. You just don't have sense.
I thought you told me that I should wash all your clothes.
So what am I going to wear now? What do you want me to dress on with now as I finish having my bath?
What if you wear my mom's clothes? You know, there are some clothes that she doesn't wear again. No, don't worry, sir. You know the weather is cold and you don't need to, you understand. Let me get this for you. It will fit you very, very well.
You must be out of your senses. How can a titled man like me? Oh, these children are playing with me. A titled man like me, dressed in women's clothes. Simply because I asked you to wash my clothes. Oh, why are women like this? I said women are useless. They will say they are not useless. Why did God create them? If you want to spell man now, it's M-E-N. God is G-O-D. If you want to spell Satan, it's S-A-T-A-N. 5. Woman is W-O-M-A-N. 5 letters. Satan. Why are they? What kind of people are these people?
Yeah.
So we'll have to bring out the clothes Mom no longer wears.
Yes. But make it very funny.
For sure now. You don't trust me.
Uncle Adi, after this experience, you will never claim anybody's property.
Never.
Okay, let's start looking for the clothes.
Bring it on.
Which one are we going to look for now? Which one is one?
Still wear all these ones.
So which one?
I need to look for something colorful.
Something colorful.
Colorful what?
What about this one?
I don't know. This one doesn't.
There's a way it is. It's transparent.
Bring them now.
No, this one.
This one's not transparent. What is this?
It's gown.
They're not seeing my hand.
It's gown, don't worry. This one is not colorful.
Shit. Colorful.
What about this pink one now?
Colorful.
Hey, sit down. See this one
This
now.
one fine now.
It is nice for
No, I'm going to
women.
say no. It's fine.
How is it fine?
It's fine.
See, you need to bring something that is colorful. That will make him look like, you know that men don't like bright colors. They like dark colors.
Wait, let me check first.
It's because now female clothes now.
Yeah, so it will be bright so that you look more like a woman.
Okay, let's take this one. Yeah, take this one. Let's look for another clothes.
I need to look for top.
What about top?
Yeah.
What about this one?
Which one?
Pick.
This one. This one, what's it fitting?
This one will do okay.
Yeah, this one is okay.
This one will do.
Abi?
They like,
I like
village
it.
clothes. Go.
Then, why don't we add wrapper?
Rapper.
Yeah, now bring
Oh, yeah,
up.
bring.
We'll find.
Which one? Like? Where is mommy's rapper?
Look for wrapper. And what of this one?
No, you see rapper.
You have seen the wrapper?
Let's see.
This one is rapper.
Oh.
This one is fine too. Look at
Wait. Let's see.
Let's use this one.
Which one?
This one.
This one. This one do okay. Look at see this nika again. Cause they feel like
It's not like it's leggings.
leggings.
Yes.
This one will be okay. Check it well now.
Wow, make we
Even
go.
with the color. See now, see the color.
Yeah, no, wow, make we go.
Are you sure we don't need to add another code?
No, wow, make we go.
How many will you have?
That's true.
What nonsense! Uncle Adi can be so annoying. How can he be insulting dad even in death?
How? Don't worry. We'll go treat him fuck up very soon. Calm down.
I can't wait for that man to leave this house. At least let's have peace. Let's have peace for once in our lives. Me too, I can't wait. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Wow.
Why don't we go and check up on him?
Okay.
Just imagine we put this thing on internet.
No.
It will go viral.
No.
It will go viral.
Let's not post it on the internet. Let's leave it on my phone for now. Yes.
What is internet? Internet.
Don't worry, you learn that one in school.
Yes, very soon. Yes, very soon.
What are we going to do next now?
I don't know.
This house is so boring.
Make we go watch TV.
You on TV? What is so good about that? Yes.
Let's go and watch any film.
But how are you going to do it? You know that our house will kill.
We go tell her anyhow, shall make we just go watch film. Since we know this on our television, not the work, make we go down, go watch film.
Okay, let's go. You hold this phone.
What if he catches me?
No, he will not catch you now.
Yeah, give me make our own now.
You don't go break out.
Yes, we give
Is it a mistake now?
You don't want me. It's not bad now. I'm teaching you. I'm trying to be a teacher now.
You teach me.
Okay, wait, let me speak my own.
Yeah, speak.
You the quiz?
Jangwa. Inangomu.
Dana.
Inangomu.
Waiting.
Don't you have respect? Don't you have fear?
Respect and fear for who? No, you know the human beings. Human beings so be say you go soon die. They go bury you 6 feet. I think I go still chop you like party jollof rice.
So you don't have fear? Inangomu. Yeah? Which channel is this? This is an abomination. Oh yeah, show me that remote. Show me the remote. Give it to me.
Mr. Showcase.
And I want one. I say show me the remote.
Show you waiting. Take. Give me.
Bring it. Bring that remote. Bring that remote. Yeah, bring it. No, wait. So you, do you know that you will require to bring a cow for me to stand up?
Oh yeah, take me.
An abomination to bring a titled man on the ground.
She cannot do anything. Where's the cow? I will buy.
Come.
What I will do? What I will do to you people? Bring that. Bring that.
God, mommy will be so angry with us.
Exactly.
No, sis, I did like this. I don't even forget say something happened downstairs. Safe. Pata. Na shout, she go shout. She no go kill any. Oh. I don't forget say na at the butters I dey talk to. I no say anything where they tell una go vex or you go pain una. But make una comot that kind of thinking for this matter. Yeah. Anything where they tell una make una just pitch it bomb. You get me like this. You don't know many things where they don't tell me for this my life. I know they cry. You know they pay me because if you tell me, I go tell you back. You get. My own mama don't even open mouth tell me say I be born by mistake. It's shocking, see. Yes, nah. She dey tell me say she always regrets. Say she collect money from our papa, born me. Look at me. Oh.
I'm so sorry.
Like, seriously, sorry. Why would she even say that kind of thing to you? I can't imagine my mom telling me that too.
You won't cry for my own headache. No try mo. You don't pass. Nah. Something we don't go. And me too. If you tell me, I will throw my home. If you tell me, like that. I don't agree by anybody. I don't agree.
For what you've just told us now, I think you need therapy.
What did they do there? Did they give us fried chicken?
See, that's how she told her lesson teacher that her favorite animal is fried chicken.
Wait,
I'm serious.
You mean it?
Yes.
Nah, fried chicken be my favorite animal.
Yes, chicken. Chicken is an animal, but not fried chicken.
Not fried chicken.
Yes.
If you wanted to say it, you say hen, the female one, or cock, anyone.
No,
okay,
me,
chicken.
which me I want. Nah, fried chicken. No, fried chicken na my
No,
favorite.
you're not understanding. Fried chicken is food. Don't say favorite animal.
No, she not ask me my food. She say favorite animal. That's meat where I like.
No, she's not saying your favorite animal. Like, it's not like...
Me, I don't understand me. Me, my own na fried chicken.
Can you imagine? Don't they have respect for a titled man?
Uncle Latin, what was it you were telling me over the phone?
Is this your useless nonsense girls you call children?
Please, do not call my children useless. They are useful. Words are powerful.
Useful. They are useful. Okay, yes. I know how useful they are. And I know how and where they are useful. They are useful only when they see titled men like me. Useful girls that don't have respect for titled men like me. Just imagine what I am wearing. Can't you see that this is your blouse I'm wearing?
How did this come about?
You are asking me. Oh, you are asking me. You should go and ask those your useless, nonsense, idiotic, useless...
Uncle, it's fine. Please. It's okay with it to read. I'm sorry. Whatever they did. Please, remember they are just children.
Don't refer to them as children. They are no longer children. In fact, you see what they did. If you know what these children did, do you know that these children brought me down, made an elder like me, a titled man, to fall down? Under normal circumstances, I am not supposed to stand up until you people bring one cow. What they have done, let me tell you, the atrocity they have done, the all they have committed, I am going to report them to the woman.
Please,
yes.
just calm down.
It's an abomination.
It's okay.
Please.
Please.
One cow.
Please, calm down. Let me go and hear their own side of the story. If I know what to do.
You want to go and find out? Oh, you want to go and compare what I have said with what they are going to say? Eh? Where is it done? How can you do such a thing when a titled man is talking? Okay, you are undermining my manhood. Eh? And you are referring to them as children. Listen, women don't have a say in anywhere.
Please, my children have a say. Their voices matter. Let me go and hear their own side of the story. Please, I'm coming.
And I'm talking, you are walking out on me.
I'm coming.
You are walking out on me, Rose.
I'm coming.
Hi. Oh, what kind of creation is this? People without respect. This is our abomination raised to power 4 because you people are 4 to have committed this abomination. 1 cow before I will agree. Before the woman, you are going to bring it. Nonsensical that have no respect for a titled man. Is it easy to have title?
I beg, make you forgive us. No be them do am, na my fault. Because na me do am. Make you no punish them. If you want punish anybody, na me you punish because na my fault.
I won't punish anyone. But you girls shouldn't have done what you did. He's an elder. I understand he has been overbearing.
Yes, Mom, very overbearing. Like, very overbearing. Can you imagine he calls us useless? He insults us at will. Anytime he wants, he'll just be insulting us, children like us.
He sends me on errands like I'm his slave.
Can you imagine that?
The one where they pay me pass. TV, you know they allow me watch TV. TV will be say for ghetto, I know they watch. I say come here. And he knows that they like TV. Oh. He still not allow me make a watch.
I need you girls to be patient. I'm going to do something about it. I plan to see our family lawyer tomorrow.
Okay, Mom.
United we stand, together we win. Life is much better when we live for each other. We are family.
If the children can fight for their rights, I am inspired to fight for my rights too. They have given me the strength to fight. How can I allow this wicked man even stay in my house? I need to stand up for myself. Tomorrow, I'll see Barrister Clem to seek legal advice on how to go about this. This house belongs to my husband and I. It is our sweat. It belongs to our children, and I won't let anybody take it away from us.
Let's fight together to win the battles ahead of us. We are one. Let's fight together to win the battles ahead of us. Let's lead.
Amazing. Well, madam, I must commend them. You and your husband did very well.
How?
Well, he didn't just write his name on the properties. He included your name, your full name also, and that's Mr. Frank Williams and Miss Rose Williams. And as such, no one can take that property away from you.
Really?
Yeah. Well, the thing is that we do advise our clients on the need to involve their wife's full names on properties they want to acquire. Probably if they want to acquire properties, they should involve their kid's name. So as such, no one can take that property away from them.
Okay. So, no one can take it away from us?
Absolutely no one. The property also belongs to you, not just your late husband.
Thank God.
So what we need to do now is we need to serve in papers to stay clear of the house or face the full wrath of the law.
Thank you very much, Clem.
Thank you very much. You're welcome. I'm sorry, a minute.
Listen to it.
It sounds scary.
Ah.
Eh?
Okay. I give it to me.
Yes.
Listen. What do you think?
You know that scary one.
How is this not scary to you?
You don't need to be scared. Voila. You don't to
Okay. I've thought of the plan. So first, Vero, you'll be in charge of the doors while disguise my voice. Then you, Jessica, you'll be in charge of the switch.
So I'll be on the lights and off.
Yes, you'll be on and off it.
Position it. Okay.
So what do you think?
Perfect.
See, if you do this well, if you do it well, you go to see a ghost.
But let's just do it fast before Mom comes back because I want Uncle Adi to leave this house before she comes back.
Go.
Yes. But are you sure this plan is going to work?
You go walk. I can tell you one thing you know. Anything where you want to do for this life, anything we will help your destiny. No put any bad energy for your mind.
Yeah.
If you walk, fine. If you no walk, fine. As far as you don't try.
Yes, Vero is right. I support her. This thing might work. And me, I'm no longer afraid of that man. He doesn't have any regard for us, so I don't have any regard for him anymore.
Me too, I'm not afraid of him. Or any woman beings, just like Vero says. I'm not afraid of woman beings.
Stop, dog. Let's
Sorry.
Okay, let's why don't you fix the sound?
Educate the way with this thing. It's all this scary thing where you go put say or you say no.
Okay, let me just try it. I will try it. Let me just look.
Ichioke, I eat what I want to eat when I want to eat it. Eh? My name now is Onogulu. Inheritance, no Ibo. Yes. They will. The NEPA has just taken the light. These people, they've brought it back. So as I was, why is this light having? It's okay. You never even laugh. It's okay. Hey. Oh. Hey. Oh. Oh, Augustine. Leave. It's okay. Come on, come. Now you can leave. Hey, I will leave.
Good evening, sir.
Princess.
Oh, she's sleeping.
Eh?
Yeah, she's sleeping.
Did you guys hear any sound in this room?
Oh, sound. No sound. Just this one that we're playing here.
You did not hear any strange sound?
Oh.
Maybe it's this thing that is making you people not to hear the sound. But is the light in this room blinking? It's not going off and on. Hey. This is Ebbe. Princess, tell Princess, tell her, let her come to my room immediately and help me to pack my bag. I'm going to the village. I'm returning to the village.
You're going to the village?
I still wake her up. I'm returning to the village. Let her come and help me.
Oh, God, why? Oh, God.
Go in peace. No, go try one more time for your room. Go try one more time.
Try what?
What do you do now?
Let's go start packing his bag. Let's go start packing his
You
bag.
know that if we try another one now, he might find out. So let's go ahead. Let's go.
Hey.
Let's go, Ipa, dancing. My slippers. Uncle. Won't you wait for my mom to come back?
Your mother? When I'm already running late, I need to catch up with the night bus. The village is far. I need to catch up with the night bus.
Hey, Uncle. Hey, Uncle now. Uncle, why don't you wait now?
Yeah. TV. Yeah.
Vera, I want to tell you something.
What is that?
Thank you for giving us the confidence to fight.
Yeah. Chai.
Really, if not for you, we would have lost our house and properties.
You know, every disappointment they say is a blessing. At first, I was disappointed at my father's mistake, but now I know why God did it. So, from today, you're not my stepsister, but my sister.
Chai.
Same here. You're now my sister, and I will love you forever.
Chai. Then you're gonna come up with no, me can cry now. You know it's hard girls to cry.
Okay, let's go and make mommy's food before she comes back from work. What is your no in the mood? Let's go.
Go cook something, John.
She'll soon be back. Let's go.
Yes, sir. I never touched
So
my
who's going to cook today?
I'll cook.
We are one. Bond by blood. Let's fight together to win the battles ahead of us.
Where is everybody?
Let's lead. Let's love.
Hey.
Welcome.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you.
Good evening.
Thank you. I'm sorry I'm so late. I was stuck in traffic.
It's okay. Guess what?
What?
Uncle Adi is gone.
What happened?
Well, you won't believe the idea Vero brought.
Yeah.
Well, mommy, first of all, sit.
Yes.
Wow. I can't believe this.
Well, mommy, we had to do what we had to do.
You girls have saved me a world of trouble. I was going to serve him legal papers, but you know how stubborn these traditional men can be.
Yes.
Thank you. Vero, you came with your ghetto energy and you taught us how to fight. Thank you. You've inspired us in ways that you don't even know.
Now we read something now, mommy. Sorry, auntie.
Please call me Mommy. I'll be honored.
Mommy.
United we stand, together we win. Life is much better when we live for we are family. Let's live in unity.
I forgive you for your mistake, Frank. You made a mistake because you were human. To err is human. To forgive, divine. I forgive you, Frank. I still love you. And I am still grateful for the 99 good things you did for me and my children. I will always remember you as a great husband and father. I love you, my husband.
Let's fight together to win the battles ahead of us.
Daddy, I know it's been long since I spoke to you. Well, it's been a very busy time for us. I miss you, Daddy. I love my sister Vero. It wasn't easy at first, but we have to let love conquer the hate and bitterness. She's a special human, and I know this sounds odd, but thank you for the gift of Vero. Thank you.
Good morning, beautiful angels. Rise and shine. Today I'm taking you out anywhere you want to go. I've taken a day off work, so it's time for us to celebrate. Princess, come, we'll be late. Ooh, who's the beautiful girl in the house? Watch my step. Do you think I cannot catwalk? Let me see you. Don't fall down. Okay, now we're going to go left, right, left, right. Ready, go. Bop, 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 bop.
United we stand, together we win. Life is much better when we live for each other. We are family, let's live in unity. Divided we fall, but surely united we stand. United we stand, together we win. Life is much better when we live for each other. We are family, let's live in unity. Divided we fall, but surely united we stand. Let's live